Logical. Logical and is a type of logical operator. When both statements are true, return true. Logical or is a type of logical operator. When one of statement is true, return true. Logical not is a type of logical operator. Return true if result is false. Return false if return is true. In this example, x is integer and a sign value of 5. Y is integer and a sign value of 20. If value of x less than 10 and y greater than 15, when both statements are true, following code will be execute. Print true. If value of x greater than 50 or y less than 10, when one of statement is true, following code will be execute. Print true. Logical. Logical and is a type of logical operator. When both statements are true, return true. Logical or is a type of logical operator. When one of statement is true, return true. Logical not is a type of logical operator. Return true if result is false. Return false if return is true. In this example, x is integer and a sign value of 5. Y is integer and a sign value of 20. If value of x less than 10 and y greater than 15, when both statements are true, following code will be execute. Print true. If value of x greater than 50 or y less than 10, when one of statement is true, following code will be execute. Print true. Logical not. Print not 5 less than 10 and 20 less than 100. Return false. If not 5 greater than 10, logical not, reverse the result. Return false.